In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Jira Error 500 issue step by step. This is a very common internal server error that can suddenly appear when you're trying to access your Jira boards, projects, or calendars, and it can be extremely frustrating when you're in the middle of work. The good news is that in most cases, this error can be fixed in just a few minutes using some simple checks that anyone can do. I'll walk you through each step in order, starting from the quickest fixes to slightly more advanced checks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The very first thing you should do when you see a Jira Error 500 is log out of your Jira account completely and then log back in. This might sound too simple, but it actually fixes the issue more often than you'd expect. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary session problem or an authentication glitch on Atlassian's side. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, choose Log Out, and make sure you fully exit the Jira page. After that, open Jira again, sign back in with your account, and check if the error is gone. If Jira loads normally after logging back in, then you're good to go, and no further steps are needed. If logging out and back in doesn't fix the problem, the next step is extremely important and often overlooked. You need to check Jira's service status. Open a new browser tab and go to status.atlassian.com. This page shows the real-time status of all the Atlassian services, including Jira Software, Jira Work Management, and Jira Service Management. Look for any ongoing incidents, partial outages, or degraded performance warnings related to Jira. If you see an active issue, then the Error 500 is likely coming from Atlassian servers and not from your account or browser. In that case, the best thing you can do is wait until Atlassian resolves the issue. Trying to fix things locally won't help if the service itself is down. If Atlassian's status page shows everything is operational, the next thing to try is opening Jira in an Incognito window or using a different browser altogether. This step helps you quickly identify whether the issue is related to your browser settings, extensions, or stored data. Open an Incognito window or private window, log into Jira, and try accessing the same board or page that was giving you the error. If Jira works fine in Incognito mode, then the problem is almost certainly related to cache data, cookies, or browser extensions in your main browser. You can also test this by opening Jira in another browser, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. If the error only happens in your regular browser, the next optional but very effective step is clearing the site cache for Jira. Go into your browser settings, find Privacy or Site Data settings, and look for Stored Data for Atlassian.net. Clear the cached files and cookies specifically for Jira, then reload the page and log in again. This clears out any corrupted data that might be causing the Error 500 to appear. After reloading Jira, check your project or board again and see if the issue is resolved. Once you've gone through these steps, Jira should be working normally in most cases. To quickly recap, you logged out and back in, checked Atlassian service status, tested Jira in Incognito or another browser, and optionally cleared the site cache. These steps cover the most common causes of Jira Error 500 and save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting time. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Jira tips, software fixes, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.